The 2012 Cape Epic continued in South Africa with stage 3 from Robertson to Caledon, over 147 kilometres with 2,900 metres of climbing. The stage included 4 major climbs on the longest stage in Cape Epic history, with the action starting around the 40-kilometre mark. The first was a 6-kilometre double track where riders fought for traction over large rolling rocks. Then there was the 4-kilometre mass climb with a view over Villiers-Dorp. A smooth and comparatively easy rise to the toll house followed, the highest point of the day, with a fast 5-kilometre descent dropping 500 metres into the valley. Then at the 110-kilometre mark there was the UFO climb to scale, which was followed by a tricky descent. Connie Looser of Stockley Pro came off his bike, but just like a pro he got back on and rode off, shrugging off the cuts and bruises. Next came a steep rocky trail with several false peaks. The riders were able to clock up some mileage on the fast downhill district roads before the last 10 kilometres slowed them down again. Team 36-1, Songa's Specialised Bury Stander and Christoph Sauser were best able to cope with this tough stage, going on to take it in a time of 5 minutes 31.04. They were closely followed 3 seconds later by South Africans Kevin Evans and David George of 360 Life.